At approximately 9:20 on the same day, Colonel Jacob, warrant officers Mpangase and KG Sibia. By then, Lieutenant Colonel Sibia was a warrant officer, so he got promoted twice in the meantime.
And what is he now?
A Lieutenant Colonel KG Sibia. And the Crime Intelligence Officer, Captain Justice Jabulani Duma, went to the depot to conduct a search and seizure of the identified container. According to the official documentation obtained from the depot and the company, who had ordered the legitimate consignment in the container contained animal bone meal from a supplier in Brazil. The officers proceeded to break the seal of the container in the presence of Captain Duma, as well as the warehouse manager and Operational Response Services, ORS, Border Policing. According to the officers, prior to breaking the seal, a photo was taken to evidence that the seal was intact.
Thank you, General. At this stage, I'm just going to flight photo 1. And if you can just describe to us what we're looking at there.
Commissioners, that is a container, as I explained in some of the previous photos.
That's the container that the officers took a photograph of on the day.
That's correct, Commissioner.
And then photo 3. Sorry, before we get to photo 3, if we can do photo 2 first, because they mentioned the seal. At paragraph 42 of your statement, you say that according to the officers, prior to breaking the seal, a photo was taken to evidence that the seal was intact.
That is correct, Commissioners. That is the photo where the seal is clearly depicted.
And just remind us, what is the significance of the officers taking a photo of the seal before they're opening the container?
Commissioners, obviously it speaks to proper crime scene management, but also the chain of custody of the exhibits. It might be that nothing is found